Nyameza makwaba. Bizachia ahwefo nyina anwumre sema ba me channel so. Ene ye ba bisia ekwan a ye fa so ye business card. Ye be use Photoshop and ye dia business card. Na business card no ye yama organization bi ye frɛ no Case for Life. Omo website ni. Case for Life founder no your friend Divine Ampofo or your Ghana ni your own or UK. Na Divine or your inspiration or your amazing guy. Say Muban website I say mube more information about Divine any Najuma or your Edeboa community no any Ghana community no, especially recently or about knife crime na ekokoso e UK no. Divine tuning we si wonum a okasa kire youth no said the bear on be free sa gang life nim. Divine ono no join the gang information ni nyina our website I say Divine Ampofo I say we on the website I say na on say or ma talks about the journey now gang life nim enema of fame a man timi free mu. Divine and the words better me debate describe Divine like or a motivational speaker or a mentor or a entrepreneur or a law student or say author. And because of author Divine a true book and the book no is so good. Any book be a bit take you long to finish reading it. But say unya book no now kaya now be who the journey what firm to reach where he is at the moment. Book no a title nini The Element of Real Success from the Darkness into the Light. And I encourage everyone to get this book and read. You will be amazed. Divine or you're so great. Man, what making changes be on a brabuma are surprising me. First time I did read book, reading the book we say no. Me so man and take you long, but the information and the motivational messages that you get from this book no will amaze you. So you can visit the website which is www.caseforlife.co.uk. Mon visiting website one na afin so mon try say mube book no programs ni bi na motie ni talks no. Statistics bi a ode aba ewo na website ya say na ye share ha say kakra ya mostly we talk about knife crime. Ye share say no say knife crime in the city has risen to a 4-year high following a relatively steady increase since June 2014. In June 2012 there were 1,719 recorded stabbings of people aged under 25 in the capital, compared with 1,749 in August 2016. There must be more we can do regarding awareness. So Divine or create awareness is trying to educate the youth. Say the bear or more free gang life nimna ebe reduce all these kind of crime na because still na that cost UK inti whether ntina and yes training with it, but I will encourage everyone to visit his website na mu hwe enema or especially ye mama no Ghana for na mo manum ewo gangs no mu betima aboa mo no invite Divine no ma ba kasa no share the story enema of fair mu ne kwan a ofa so a wotimi eyi ne ho free mu nti adibia ehunhia pa say ye ma menum ne ye papa no ne enuanom ma ne mema na mo ma ewo ekromu ase no. Some of try some of visit our website we say na mo be nya ne contact number contacting na mo betima gadan kola no aba be kasa akire o make impact, to be honest, o make impact pa nti we dey midibesi ase na fe yakọ Photoshop na yakọ akọ ye design no. Divine we a role model. I love you so much. So when your message we are peace. Bye. You wish ya. I say mommy go Photoshop. Young gon design. Damasi. When you have to